Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, and we've been flying around the Potensic ATOM 2, and we've been getting some good shots, good flights. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Potensic ATOM 2 in night mode, flying this guy at night. So your first question with this flying at night, does it have any lights on it? Not really. It has the bottom light and the battery blink, so that's how you can kind of keep orientation. Of course, if you're in the US, you have to follow by the guides on what type of light to put on this guy at night, but that's for another video. We want to get right into the footage. The Potensic ATOM 2 has a night mode, and I'm going to let you kind of look at some of the video from the night mode on two separate occasions. One where it's a well-lit nighttime area, and one where it's kind of dimmer. And of course, we're dealing with a camera, so you already know that in a well-lit nighttime area, the video with the night mode comes out crystal clear. In a not so dim area, not so good. But we'll take a look at that soon. But the first thing I want you to notice, when I first turn on night mode, can you see the difference in the video? Take a look at it right here. Okay, I got the ATOM up in the air, and if you can see, I can hit the video button. I switch it from normal to night mode, and this is where you'll see the change. This is supposed to be AI taking over and doing this thing to make the scene more brighter and more visually pleasing. Alright, now let's look at the Potensic ATOM 2 in a well-lit area in night mode, and you tell me how it did. Looking at the video of it in night mode in this well-lit area, not too shabby. It looks kind of good, kind of clear. I'm really impressed with the camera on this thing. Now let's take a look at it at nighttime in a not so well-lit area, and you tell me what you think. Now weighing them both in, what do you think about the night mode on Potensic ATOM 2? Well, put what you think in the comments. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe. This little guy's a beast of a drone. Don't sleep on it. Okay, as always, signing off from Eye in the Sky Drones. Be safe and have fun flying.